And maybe I'm wrong. Like I said, maybe I could be wrong. Maybe I don't know.
Right, but my point about this is you made a bunch of testimony about narcissistic personality disorder, correct, sir?
And I don't know. It's just because you have a prescription doesn't mean that.
I think Mr. Depp would agree with you it wasn't a good thing.
No, I shouldn't be asking that. We can have prescription substance use disorders, and that's not uncommon if you look at the opiate epidemic that we're living in right now. I'm not going to agree with that.
I'm just wondering why your testimony was in any way tied to street value Mr. Depp had legally.
That could be said. It sounded to me to be unusual.
References to street value.
You can have prescription substance abuse, and we know that. Just because you have prescription doesn't mean you can't abuse it. Correct?
Condition.
We can have that.
It's still hearsay, Your Honor.
That's not an uncommon thing.
No, I'm not suggesting you're abusing it.
We absolutely know it has street value. We absolutely know that for a fact. If you're asking me if there are links, the answer is absolutely.
Sleeping agent?
That has not been absolutely definitively correlated. No. I'm comfortable that I don't believe that it's safe to give in people with substance use disorders. No, because I think in the basis of what I've read about it, I'm comfortable that you don't know the lines.
MDMA.
I'm sorry, what was the question?
MDMA.
Also, probably not a good thing.
Is it your practice?
That's where I got it from.
Right. And yeah, is it a psychiatric opinion?
Said I find it hard to believe. That's all I said. And that follows the Goldwater rule.
How does it follow the...
Well, you just said that I'm not rendering a professional opinion. I just said idiot. That's not a...
But there's not one whit of evidence that this ever happened here. So idiot is not a professional opinion?
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
Was that you?
And I apologize, and that was wrong on my part. Again, if that's the standard, I'm wrong. I don't know. So the answer is no for that.
Well, you did talk about Dr. Blaustein, right?
Isn't he dead? So you're talking about me directly talking to him? No, I don't prescribe people my clinical case.
Yeah, you never talked
to him. No, I've never talked to him. No, sir.
Right. And this...
I knew nothing about acting.
Okay.
And that's what I said, yes.
Okay.
All I'm saying, I wasn't questioning his visual spatial perceptual skills. That's
right.
All I said.
What state Mr. Depp was in...
From what I understand, you didn't remember any of them.
At the time he took the exam that you're relying on. What, Alzheimer's, dementia?
But, again, you are saying different than what I said. So
and that's
absolutely.
Equally true of people who have substance abuse disorder. Isn't that right?
Oh, sure.
But you're going to rely on it anyway. Someone can abuse substances without ever perpetrating IPV.
Right.
You either commit IPV or you didn't.
Oh, again.
And you wanted me to talk about disorder.
Because of what we know about each other.
Yeah. You see him in that movie, Charlie and Chocolate Factory? Did you look at that one when you were comparing his processing speed?
Do I have to answer that question, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
No, you'll be happy to know I didn't see Willy Wonka.
But Willy Wonka doesn't matter to you?
I'm not an actor, so I don't know what goes on.
In fact, you don't know about acting.
I don't know.
Okay. Let's go with that. No further questions.
All right.